Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading data into pandas. This is where you set the tone for everything that follows. Read your CSVs or Excel files and parse dates on import so you avoid later conversion errors. Once done, inspect head info and describe to find missing values, wrong dtypes, or inconsistent column names. You should also combine multiple files now, using concat or merge. This prevents duplicated effort later and keeps your schema consistent as you move into cleaning. You now clean and transform with purpose. Start by addressing missing values. Decide to drop, fill with medians, or impute using lightweight models, depending on volume and bias risk. Next, normalize or scale numeric features so models converge reliably. Use standard scalar or min-max scalar as appropriate. Then, encode categorical variables. One hot for low cardinality, ordinal when order matters, or target encoding for high cardinality features. Throughout, you finish by validating and saving everything so your work is reproducible. First split into train, validation, and test sets with a fixed random state, and stratify if class imbalance exists. Then save clean datasets in your preprocessing pipeline, pickle or joblib, and write a brief schema note listing dtypes and null allowances. Finally, run quick checks for duplicates and distribution shifts between splits. If something goes wrong, rerun the pipeline end-to-end and compare intermediate outputs to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.